So this year, and then last year as well, we're pairing our underwater gliders together with vehicles that are operating at the surface. These are uncrewed surface vessels called saildrones that are powered by a combination of wind and solar power. And they have some sensors near the surface measuring meteorological variables like wind, humidity, and temperature. And then they have another set of sensors that are in the upper ocean measuring temperature, chlorophyll, and then also sensors that measure how fast the water is going at depths down below the vehicle. This is really an unprecedented view of what may be happening underneath a hurricane. Underwater gliders give you an estimate of how much heat or how much energy may be available to the atmosphere to potentially strengthen a storm, or how much stratification may be there that may prevent all of that energy being available to the storm. So that's a potential of the storm to strengthen or weaken. What the sail drone does in combination, by measuring the temperature and in both the atmosphere and the ocean, we're able to better constrain how much energy is actually happening at any moment in time. The sail drone at Gray's Reef was one of 7 sail drones that are deployed as this part of this hurricane season. One is dedicated to the Southeast Atlantic, where we are, between Florida and North Carolina, where we'll be operating it together with gliders along the Gulf Stream edge. Part of the power that we have through these technologies, particularly the underwater gliders, is that the data are reported in real time. It comes up to the surface, it sends a subset of data so we can see the temperature and salinity variability from the surface down to the bottom. Those data are then processed on our servers and shared into international databases, so that within sometimes as little as an hour of the measurement being taken, it's available for assimilation into ocean models. These are the same ocean models that serve as part of the coupling with the hurricane models that make our predictions and that guide our evacuations. So it's these data that make it into a part of our life as coastal residents, that make the decision making easier for life here on the coast.